Come on, stand here. I'm standing here to welcome you specially. Oh, water. All right. Okay. All right. Okay.
I wish I had spared like you.
Huh?
I wish I had spared like you.
Ah, well.
I know.
Gentlemen of the press, our great leaders of our great party are here with the governors of the various states under the control of our party, where we received final briefings on the convention coming up tomorrow by the grace of God. The convention committee has assured us that everything is being done for us to have a very successful and hit-free convention. And as we have assured you yesterday, we are still working on having consensus on virtually all the positions. So far, we have achieved 85–90% of that, and by the grace of God, work is still in progress. Our leaders are going to continue to talk to the remaining other contestants and see how best we can build and achieve that consensus. So we thank God, we thank our leaders for their full participation in all that has been happening and all that we've been doing to get to where we are today. By the grace of God, PDP is back strongly, and at the end of the convention tomorrow through to Sunday, we are going to have, by the grace of God, a repositioned PDP that will be ready to receive many more people that are going to join this party soonest. Thank you very much, gentlemen of the press, for your support, for your cooperation thus far. Thank you very much.
Can you comment on the
appeal for judgment is there. You asked me yesterday, I told you it was subjudice, and it's there, it's in public domain already. So, and that's why we're going ahead with the convention. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.